Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ukong rat ke sangma hinin ke sengi ulo ong ba ke Sorkar Meghalaya kadang Peit Pyrman Halor ke Jingsuba badan ke Jingpang Polio ha ke Jylla Hashuwa ban Thaw ye kinu kilat kilinti bante lakam yaka. Kani kalaja ha tikri kela ha West Garo Hills District Haka bala suba ba iwe ikalung ila yo ya ke Jingpang polio mellitus hadin bala rakno ya i syagul para ha sam. Henry ompatla ban pinti kenal kani ke Jingpang kadai nakadaw ka wild polio virus lani ke vaccine derived polio virus. Ukong rat sang malo penpau ya ke Jingsmuk hia Halor kani ke Jingja bat ong baka Sorkar kan Peit bat kemi beniak shwa ban shim ya kinu kirai.
Examining the entire process, the entire issue. It is, of course, a very, very serious situation. We need to be very, very careful. I will be taking a review on this in a couple of days, and then I'll be able to give you a better response to the entire situation. But yes, we have to be careful. We are still determining many factors, and then we will see and come out with a proper statement as well as the plan of action. If we find that the specific information and intel is actually, very, very serious. As it has been made to be.
Ka all Meghalaya SSA non